Jeff here, once again with some more life tips for you. Making your own soup and your own stock will help increase your immune system and thereby improve your health. Check out the channel. Lots of these recipes are on the channel. Get cooking today. I've got a brie cheese crouton, and that's my broccoli soup. Hello, Chef here. So today I'm making chicken stock. This is a small quantity. We keep the chicken bones in the freezer. Got all the good stuff in there, the innards, the backbone, little skin, no problem. Goes in a large stock pot, and you add just enough cold water to cover the bones. Other ingredients that are used in chicken stock obviously are onion peels, carrot peels, some garlic or garlic peels, a few peppercorns, and a bay leaf, and that's it. Bring the stock to a boil, reduce heat, let simmer for 1 hour. A good chicken stock is clear, the slight yellowish tint, just like this one. Yeah. Now you simply let it cool, strain it off, put it in small containers and reserve until further use. Please like, share, subscribe. Your soup? Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, we gotta have that. Couple more things I wanted to go over. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well.